And in business news, the legendary Mr. O.O., the 80-year-old chairman, is making headlines.
ツマンおじ今日のニュースを読みます。Financial Times. Trump said U.S. housing agency to launch $200 billion mortgage bond buying spree by Claire Jones and James Polity, January 8, 2026. Donald Trump has said he will launch a $200 billion mortgage bond buying program in an attempt to lower mortgage rate as the U.S. president seeks to tackle an affordability crisis that has weighed on his popularity. Trump posted on Truth Social that he was instructing my representative to buy $200 billion in mortgage bonds. This will drive mortgage rate down, monthly payments down, and make the cost of owning a home more affordable, Trump wrote on Thursday afternoon. It is one of my many steps in restoring affordability, something that the Biden administration absolutely destroyed. U.S. Housing Finance Director Bill Pult told the Financial Times the purchase would be made by a mixture of Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, the two government-sponsored enterprises tasked with buying lenders' mortgage loans and repackaging them as mortgage-backed security. We are going to be using the full force of Fannie to reverse the damage that the former President Joe Biden did this last 4 years, including, but not limited to, strategic and large purchase of mortgage bonds, he said. The move would not require the congressional authorization, Pult added. The Trump administration is seeking to push down the mortgage rate through buying debt in one of the world's biggest fixed income market. There is $11 trillion in U.S. mortgage-backed security outstanding, with a trading volume averaging about $300 billion a day, Federal Reserve research shows. The announcement rate on Thursday boosted the shares in U.S. mortgage specialist Rocket Company jumped 6%, Loan Depot soared 14%, and United Wholesale Mortgage gained 7%. It comes as Trump has forced criticism from many Americans who say they can no longer afford to maintain an adequate standard of living following a surge in the cost of many essential goods since the coronavirus pandemic. The president had on Wednesday said he would seek to restrict institutional investors from buying single-family homes, a fact that has sometimes been cited as depressing inventories. Trump had previously claimed the affordability crisis was a hoax. The planned $200 billion purchase were not that significant given the scale of the market, said Harley Besseman, managing partner of Simplified Asset Management. It will be a little helpful, but it's not going to take a rate down by 0.5%. More innovative measures such as allowing home buyers to carry over their old mortgage rate to new home purchase would have a great benefit, he said. High housing costs, including mortgage rate, have proven one of the most pressing challenges facing U.S. policymakers. The average rate on a 30-year mortgage, the most popular product, is 6.16%, despite multiple cuts to benchmark borrowing costs by the Fed. The Fed cut its benchmark federal funds target range by the 0.75 percentage point last year, lowering the short-term rate to 3.5% to 3.75%. Trump has pressed the central bank to sharply lower the interest rate to boost the economy and lower borrowing costs for homebuyers. His plan for large-scale bond purchase echo those of the Fed in the aftermath of the 2008 financial crisis, when the rate setter bought the debt from the Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac in an attempt to shore up the financial system and boost the economy.
News report. Goodbye.
以上です。